Another day and another amazing install. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I missed y'all motherfuckers. As you can tell, we're doing another install. We got the SST valve controller. I think this was like the cheapest valve controller. Yo, listen, I think this is the cheapest valve controller you can buy for the platform. Listen, valve controller is valve controller. It needs to just press one button, on, open, close, okay? That's all I need. So, we actually about to see how this sounds with completely stock exhaust. Remember, we are getting the exhaust done in 4 days from when this video is happening. So, yeah. Can't wait to hear that shit with the exhaust. Ooh. Honestly, I might have heard a setup online, but that's online. I haven't heard nothing like this in person, so it's gonna be real nice when we go with the setup. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, low-key annoying sometimes when it does that, but yeah, let's get into it. This is actually probably the easiest install we've done on the channel, no funny shit, for this car, because literally all we gotta do, pop up the trunk. That piece, the battery's gonna be right there, and we feed the wire down, and as you can see, that's the connector right there, a little black plug. Unplug that. We're gonna feed that through the top through there, and yeah, let me show you. All right, this is the trunk when you pop open that little liner. Literally, you just get something to pry in between, just lift it right up, and no clips or nothing. We're gonna go through that right there, and yeah, it's honestly such a simple install. I'm not really gonna show y'all too much. This is really gonna be more of when we get back on the road, and we'll do a cold start too, because I have not started up the car today, so that'll be very nice. I swear, some of the most craziest positions in life you would be working on a car. So we got it routed. It's literally like a T-tap connection. Plugged in through there. That's it. Now on the top, we're gonna make it all fancy. I went through that hole and that hole, dumb easy. I'm probably gonna cut these so that way the wires can go through and it still retains some type of water function. You know, no promises, but yeah, let's do that. And just like that, we're all done. I still reuse the grommets and use extra electrical tape. Make sure ain't no water getting up in this bitch. Don't mind these wires, none of your biz bags. Not part of the SST. But yeah, pretty simple install. I put 3M tape so I don't rattle around up in there. And yeah, all we gotta do is put that piece, literally lay it back on top, and we're done. Let's see if we get this cold start for y'all. All right, let's get this cold start. Now that is what I call a major success. Deadass was only out here for 20 minutes, boys. One of the easiest fucking installs ever. Didn't even need a fucking tool, really. Just scissors and a fucking little snap tool to pry things. But I'll catch you on the fucking road, man. Sheesh. Yeah. Voila. Well, welcome. Yeah, I don't even need to see me really, but like, let me just tell ya, it's the nighttime. We did step out, and I don't know if I could tell already by the burbling that this car is doing now. Oh my god, it sounds so much louder. Hold on. Stock exhaust, that little valve difference, it didn't make the biggest difference in the world, but it made the biggest difference when it comes to the burbles of the car. Like, I can actually hear the car burbling now, like a lot. mistakes. I love this car, man. Like, it don't get no more perfect for a 4-door sedan. Like, oh my god, just the intake on this car, that's it. And a valve controller, and wow, the sounds, the feeling. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good. Definitely have to go on a POV drive because wow, the burbles, everything. This car is just too perfect. Low-key can hear it more with the windows up because of the fucking wind is so damn loud. And the car's not crazy loud, but it sounds so good for what it is. Like, sounds way too good. Golly, what a package. Just what a fucking package. My god. Men are so simple. But anyways, do all that YouTube shit. We is out of here. I love y'all motherfuckers. Oh my god, bro. For a valve controller that took 15 minutes, must have mod. I love y'all. We out of here. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Shout out to the camera lady.